Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Maps and signing into the Google account you want to share from. This ensures link ownership and edit history. Then search your shop or long press the map to drop a pin. This locates the exact coordinate and prevents sending a nearby address by mistake. Once the place card appears, glance at address and hours to verify accuracy, and then tap the share icon to reveal link and messaging options. This moves you directly into distribution. After tapping Share, you choose Copy Link for manual use or pick an app to send instantly. Copying gives you flexibility to paste into posts or SMS. If you manage a Google business profile, generate a short or tracked link and a QR code for printed materials. This improves monitoring and makes sharing simpler. Make sure to add clear directions, select driving or walking mode, and preview the link so recipients open to the exact route and context you intended. You finish by sending the link or QR, then immediately test it on a different device to confirm the marker, address, and route display correctly. This prevents confusing customers. If the pin is misplaced, edit the location in Maps or adjust your Google Business Profile coordinates and reshare the updated link. If recipients see stale info, clear app cache or browser cache, refresh the map, or regenerate the share link. These steps resolve most sync and visibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.